Alright, welcome back to Nails by Sora. I hope you're all doing well. This is a continuation of the last video. If you didn't watch it, I will link it right here in the top right hand corner. I am trying the DGel brand of extension tips. These are their sculpted almond ombre tips, and I bought it in the kit that comes with the rest of their system. Thinking up words, we can do it. So we've got the bonder, the primer, the prep, the extend gel, and then the ombre kit comes with this color, Vintage Carnation, to create the ombre effect, or to finish off the ombre effect, because the ombre is in the tip itself. So the last video was about applying the tips, because I've never used the DGel system before, and now we're going to actually do the manicure. So to finish off the process of applying the tips, you need to use the prep to chemically etch the surface before you go and apply the color. Now, strictly speaking, you don't have to use this. You can buff the surface, but this is what comes with the system, so I am going to use it. So you use the prep and you swirl it around and scrub it up and down the nail to chemically etch it. The surface will go cloudy and it will get sticky. So I think this is quite a laborious process, but I guess no more than just, using a nail file and doing it. I'm going to do my left hand on camera, and then I'm going to do my right hand off camera as usual. Alright, so we've got all of our nails chemically etched. I'm just going to add a little bit more onto this nail. And then the next step is just to apply the color. So like I said, I'm going to go in with the color that came with the kit. This is Vintage Carnation. And you start with it down at the base of the nail and you slowly fade it up the nail. Where is my ombre brush? You're not supposed to have to use an ombre brush, but I'm going to use one anyway. Because the thing is, I really want the white of the tip to show through. Alright, that's pretty good. So I think I have to just use a little bit less before I start pulling it up. So I'm going to cure this, and then we'll move on to the rest of the nails. Alright, so let's start out with a little bit less. Alright, that worked a lot better. Wrong brush. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a cure. It takes 30 seconds to cure, and then I want to see what a second coat would look like. So I'm just going to go in on my thumb. All right, I think I like the second coat, so I'm going to finish off the rest of my hand, and I will come back. Ooh, helps to be in frame. So I'm going to finish off the rest of my hand, and then I will come back to go on to the next phase of the design, because we want to do one more thing. All right, so I've seen this design a few times, and unfortunately my internet's not working right now, so I can't pull up the image. I'm going to just try to eyeball it. I'm thinking I may need a smaller brush for it. So instead of having to erase what I've done, I'm going to just start off with the right sized brush. Okay, so I believe the way they do it is they use chrome powder, but I'm going to go ahead and use gel paint, chrome gel paint, and I'm just going to create an abstract design curving around the nail. And I already don't like it, so I'm going to wipe with alcohol. Okay, I literally see it online all the time, and now I can't find it. So I drew out a little picture on my napkin, and I'm going to try to replicate it. So I'm just drawing some curved lines coming into the center. Trying to decide if I want to add to it. I think I'm going to leave it like that. Do I have a hair on my nail? I do. Let's get rid of that, shall we? I'm trying to make each one a little bit different. I've never been so ready. Fire breath and open sky. I'm not sure how I feel about that one, but we're gonna keep it. It's where we go. I grow wings and tell worry goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see. It's what we choose to be. Fire breath and open sky. All right, I'm going to use the Apres top coat to finish off this manicure, or at least my left hand, and then I will finish my right hand off camera, and that'll be this video. It's not what we see. It's what we choose to be. All right, well, that brings us to the end of another video. I hope you liked it. This was the easiest manicure I've done in a long time. My quote-unquote easy manicures always seem to take me forever, but this system, the Ombre system with Gel X, really was a breeze once I figured out the appropriate amount of the base color to put on to create the ombre. And you really, on my right hand, I really didn't need to use the ombre brush, but I did anyway, just so that I would have a consistent look between my left and my right hand. And I love the silver accent. I hope you do too. If you like this video, please give me a like and a subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you always know when new videos are available. I'm going to finish off my manicure with some cuticle oil from this cute little jar. I bought these little jars. I watched a video a couple of weeks ago. This woman that lives in Florida, she's a nail tech. She's actually a cosmetology professional. She does a broad spectrum of different things in the industry, and her nail clients, she sells them these little jars of cuticle oil that they can bring back and refill with each subsequent manicure. And I thought that was a fantastic idea, and they're just so cute, and you can just throw them in your bag with you wherever you go. I've got 2 different kinds. I just filled it with my Madam Glam cuticle oil that I got from the advent calendar, and it's just so adorable. The other one is their Prairie cuticle oil. So that does it. Thank you once again. If you have any comments or questions as to any of the products or the techniques that I used in this video, please drop a comment down below. All the information for the Gel X tips and their system and all the other products I used in this video will be in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.